The market is so volatile, I'm not able to make any money.
The dollar is going up, and that is making it hard for companies to export and make money.
Don't we import more than we export? So a strong dollar should be helpful to the strong economy.
The long-term price trend of the stock market is still up.
The biotech got hit hard last week. They have been going up for a while. Is the leadership getting in trouble?
Investing is a long-term game. The prices will probably be higher 5 years from now. I tend to remain invested if the long-term trend is up.
Let us see what the chart guy is saying.
Welcome back. I'm the chart guy. I look at the price pattern and trend to see what we should do with the investments. We're going to look at the monthly chart. As you can see in the month, this is the monthly chart. As you can see, this is 1 year. The oscillator is very strong. The oscillator, the maroon line is at 90. The black line is at 77. The maroon line is above the black line. And it is in an uptrend. It is going up. That's very strong. The price trend is also very strong. So, on a monthly basis, that is long term, our price trend is very strong. Now let's look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, the oscillator is lukewarm. It's not showing a strong uptrend. Either the maroon line, the black line is showing a strong uptrend, but I want the strength to be much stronger than what it is showing. The prices are actually basing. Let me get the tools. The prices are actually basing, as you can see. So, on a weekly basis, there is nothing much to say. It's a very lukewarm market. It's not trending up. It's actually been basing since this price bar. And we let the basing pattern carry on and let the market tell us when it is ready to break out and move up, or it may break down on the downside. Now on a daily basis, the oscillator is extremely weak. The maroon value is below the black value, and you can see the maroon line is below the black line. That's not a good sign at all. It is going to come back again below it, the minus 25 line. This blue bar is the minus 25 line. The low price has not cut the prior low. It did not even cut the short-term low we had just a few days back. So that's a good sign that it is making higher lows. The prices are actually basing. It's basing here and it is basing here. It is still in a basing pattern. Once the oscillator comes down, we need to see if it breaks the lower low and starts to make a lower low, and we have already had a lower high, and if the trend turns down. In the meantime, the advice is, or what we said last week, we are going to repeat ourselves, is stay fully invested for the long term. For the medium to short term, do not add any new positions and aggressively sell your weak holdings. In fact, if any other weaker holding is left, I would say liquidate it and be in cash. Your long-term holdings like mutual funds and ETFs, which you keep for the long term, hold on to them, and see you next time.
Disclaimer: this site may include market analysis. All ideas, opinions, and/or forecasts expressed or implied therein are for informational purposes only and should not be construed as a recommendation to invest, trade, and/or speculate in the market. Information contained herein is not and should not be construed as an offer, solicitation, or recommendation to buy or sell securities. No guarantee is made or implied with respect to the accuracy, timeliness, or completeness of the information provided. The information and content are subject to change without notice. Any investments, trades, and/or speculations made in light of the ideas, opinions, and/or forecasts expressed or implied herein are committed at your own risk, financial or otherwise. I and/or my family may now or in the future have positions in securities mentioned or not mentioned here. I am not an investment advisor, and the content of the site is not an endorsement to buy or sell any securities.